a dialogue between two friends about preparation for the examination.
Hello, friend. How do you do?
I am fine. Thank you. Why are you looking so sad?
Actually, I am worried about my final examination. What about your preparation for the examination?
Well, I'm going on well my studies. I am also worried about my exam.
But tell me about your preparation in different subjects.
You know, I'm weak in English. That's why I'm taking special care in English. I'm having a detailed revision in other subjects.
Are you taking help from any special books?
Yes, but I study textbooks very carefully.
I see. I must start working with the textbooks. What do you think?
Yes. I think it'll be very helpful, not only for English, but also for other subjects.
Thank you for your supportive suggestion. I wish you good luck.
You are most welcome. This dialogue on the importance of learning English.
How are you, Sakib? I'm fine. What are you reading, Monir? It is an English language learning book. Why do you read it? You can read a Bengali novel instead of it. Most probably, you don't know the importance of learning English at this present age. That's why you can tell me so. Sorry. Would you please explain it to me? Well, English is an international language. In every sphere of life we need English. To be a doctor, an engineer, a professor, a banker, you must learn English. But learning English seems very difficult to me. You're right. I think the traditional method of learning English is not quite good in our country. Then, how are you learning English? I am learning English at an English learning center near our school by some natives and foreign experts. Would you please help me to have same opportunity? Of course. I'll take you there and do everything in this regard. Thank you, Monir. I'll see you tomorrow. You're most welcome.
Hello, and welcome. Today, dialogue between Rahim and Karim about the necessity, importance of learning English. Let's go start.
Hi, Karim. Hello, Rahim. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am also fine. Thank you too. Yesterday I heard you have completed a course on English. Isn't it true? Yes, it is true. I have completed a course on English. Oh, very good. Can you please tell me the importance of learning English? Yes, of course. Actually, English is very essential in our everyday life. It is an international language. It is one of the easy ways to communicate with the world's people. I see. It is very helpful for higher education, because all the books of higher educations are written in English. Really? Good knowledge in English is very helpful to get a good job. Oh, I see. So, we all should learn English. You are right. I learned a lot of information about necessity or importance of learning English from you. Very good. Thank you very much. You are most welcome. Take care. Goodbye. You also take care. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe this channel.